Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you what to do if your Google Play Store is stuck on pending and doesn't download an app. This might mean that you are not connected to Wi-Fi and you can download apps without Wi-Fi by just changing settings to allowing downloading over any network. Let's do it. Go back to the main screen of Google Play Store, then click on your profile icon in top right corner. Click on Settings, Network Preferences and App Download Preference. Now set it to over any network and press on OK. Now go back to the main screen and search for the app you wanted to download. I wanted to download WhatsApp, so let's search for it. If you have a bad connection, this might take a while, but it searched for it, and then let's press on cancel and press on install again. And now after a while it should start downloading, and if it won't work still, you will need to just enable Wi-Fi and connect to a Wi-Fi network. But let's see if it works. In just a moment it works, started downloading, so the problem is solved. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.